Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by opening the presentation and working on a copy. This protects your original. Once open, switch to normal view so you see thumbnails and the slide canvas. Make sure ruler and grid lines are visible to align content precisely. Next, enable editing if the file is read-only. This gives you full control. You now have the workspace ready, and you can jump straight into selecting the slide to edit, because layout and visibility options determine how efficiently you'll place text and images. You'll now edit the slide elements. Click a text box and type or paste your copy. Keep font sizes consistent and use styles for emphasis. For images, insert and then use crop, size, and position so visuals don't stretch. Hold Shift to constrain proportions. If multiple slides need the same change, open Slide Master and edit the layout once. This saves time and ensures consistency. Once done, review spacing and bullet alignment. Make adjustments so text reads clearly and visuals support, rather than distract from your message. Finish by running the slideshow to verify transitions, animations, and timings flow as intended. Once satisfied, export a copy, PDF for printing or MP4 for sharing. Choose media compression to reduce file size if needed. Make sure to save a final PPTX and a backup. If you see font or layout shifts on another device, embed the fonts in File Options or export to PDF to preserve appearance. If animations misfire, simplify or reapply them, then recheck the slideshow before distribution.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.